Hey, fact fanatics, ready for another fast-paced piece of trivia? Did you know that a sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour? That's right. When you sneeze, the air, droplets, and mucus are expelled from your nose and mouth at incredible speeds. This is your body's way of quickly getting rid of irritants from your nasal passages. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, just remember, you're about to unleash a mini windstorm. Stay curious, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more high-speed facts every day.